welcome to the channel. This video is about how to convert PDF file to Excel sheet. Let's get started with the video. In the search box type convert PDF to Excel. Here is the website www.ilovepdf.com. This is a very helpful site where we can convert PDF data to Excel spreadsheets. Click on select PDF file. Click on the documents. Select your file. The file is loaded. Now to the right bottom, click on convert to Excel option. It is converting PDF to Excel. Now the file is converted to an editable Excel spreadsheet. It is downloaded automatically. Click on open to open the file. Click to open the file. That's all for this video. Hit the like button, do share this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.